Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. I want to introduce you guys to our channel in this video, very quick video guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. Why we do all that? Because we love cars, we love sharing what we know about cars. We teach you guys how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork. We take engines completely apart, transmission, we rebuild cars. We show you how to fix really easy stuff like even adding fluids or checking fuses guys, but very important ones. Now every single car that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. If you want to see where you can buy cheap tools, parts guys for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. On this channel that you're watching now, Electrical Car Repair Life, you will find fuses, electrical components, some mechanical work and engine codes. The other two channels you can expect mostly guys mechanical work. Check it out. We'll keep adding at least 5 videos on our channels daily every single day. Thank you for watching us.